Good day, everyone. So today, we will learn a different ways on how to find the circumference of a cylinder. We will also calculate the radius and diameter of a cylinder with the given circumference. In our previous lesson, we said that a cylinder is a plane figure where all points are the same distance from the center. The distance around the cylinder is called the circumference. From the center to any point of the circumference is what we call the radius. The line segment that passes through the center and whose endpoints lie on the cylinder is called the diameter. Ang diameter is twice or 2 times the radius. Kapag ang radius is 4 meters, all we have to do is double this number, means ang diameter natin is 8 meters. Therefore, ang radius is only half of the diameter, or radius is equals to diameter over 2. But how do we calculate for the circumference? Do you have any idea? So, to calculate the circumference, we must at least have the measurement of either the radius or the diameter. Although we can estimate the circumference, it is approximately 3 times the diameter. This is just an estimation. Pero if we measure carefully, you will find it about 3.14, the Greek symbol which is the pi. So in other words, ang circumference can be calculated by taking the value of pi times d, or c is equals to pi d. In some cases, ang given na measurement is the radius. This we can use the formula c is equals to 2 pi r. It is actually the same kasi ang 2r or 2 times r is na-derive siya from d, which is the diameter. To further understand this concept, so let's have a few exercise para malinawan tayo or malaman natin kung paano talaga kunin yung value ng it's either the diameter, the circumference, or the radius. So we have here, the number 1 is try to calculate the circumference of a cylinder, now which is ang given is diameter of 20 cm. So previously, kanina, we studied the 2 ways to find the circumference. First is c is equals to pi d. And the other one is c is equals to 2 pi r. Ano sa tingin nyo sa dalawang ito is ating gamitin para mahanap yung value ng circumference? Yes, it is reasonable to use the c is equals to pi d. Since ang given ng measurement is diameter, it is unwise kapag ginamit natin ang 2 pi r. Because using this formula means you have to divide the diameter. Kailangan mo pang i-divide yung diameter by 2 to get the value of radius and then multiply by 2. So, di ba? Parang hassle siya. So, mas mainam na gamitin natin ang c is equals to pi d since given ay ang diameter. Ang gagawin natin is let's substitute the value of pi, which is 3.14 times the value of diameter, which is 20 cm. We get 62.8 centimeters. Our circumference is 62.8 centimeters, meaning yung circumference ng cylinder natin is 62.8 centimeters. So, ganun lang siya pag maghanap tayo ng circumference. So, ang next problem na meron tayo is we calculate same yung kanina, calculate the circumference na which is, ang given naman is the value of radius, which is 12 centimeters. Now, we can use the formula, which is the c is equals to 2 pi r since ang given naman is radius. So, ang gagawin natin, just substitute the value that we have, which is the c is equals to 2 times the value of pi, 3.14 times the value of radius, which is the 12 centimeter. Since we have the three quantities, we have to multiply first the two numbers. Pag mano-mano tayo. Pero pag ginamit nyo yung calculator nyo, pwedeng diretso na. So, 2 times 3.14, we have 6.28 times yung value ng radius, which is 12, we get the product of 75.36 centimeters. So, the value of the circumference is 75.36 centimeters. So, mas mainam kung ano yung given, yun yung formula na gagamitin. So, ang next problem natin naman is, paano kaya kung ang circumference ay given naman, tapos inahanap si diameter? So, to calculate the diameter of a circle with the circumference of 78.5 centimeters, para mahanap ang diameter, we can still use the formula, which is the c is equals to pi d. So, all we have to do is substitute the values, which is the c, yung circumference natin is 78.5 centimeters, is equals to yung value ng pi, 3.14 times d. Remain lang si d kasi si d yung nahanap natin. To find the diameters, we may transpose or move the pi to the other sides of the equations. But I guess, mas madali kapag if we keep the equations as this and do the simple steps. Since we need to find the diameter, we might get rid of the pi. But how do we do it? Paano natin gagawin yun? By dividing the pi with the same value, 3.14, we get 1. Since nag-divide tayo sa kabila, so ang gagawin natin is mag-divide din tayo sa kabilang equations, which is 78.5 centimeters divided by 3.14. Since wala na si pi, understood na 1, so we have 25 centimeters is equals to d. So, ang diameters natin is 25 centimeters. So, ganun lang siya. All we have to do is mag-derive tayo para makuha yung value ng diameter. So, next is same as kanina, given yung circumference, which is 94.2 centimeters, na ang hahanapin natin is radius. Yung kanina diameters, ito naman radius. So, ano kaya yung sa tingin nyo na gagamitin natin formula? Okay, very good. Ang gagamitin natin formula is C is equals to 2 pi r since si radius ang hinahanap. Very good. So, katulad ng kanina, gayahin natin yung steps imbes na mag-transpose or i-transfer yung pi sa kabilang equations. Ang gagawin natin is still, ganun pa rin. Pero mag-cancel out tayo. So, ang una nating i-cancel is si 2. So, para maalis si 2, i-divide natin by 2. So, meron na lang tayo 1. Same as kanina, nag-divide tayo sa kabila. Ang gawin natin is mag-divide din tayo sa kabila. So, 94.2 centimeters over 2 is equals to 47.1 centimeters is equals to 3.14 r. So, ang next na gagawin natin is to get rid the value of pi. So, anong gagawin? Yes, tama kayo. Yung kanina is alisin natin yung value ng pi, which is 3.14 divided by 3.14 is equals to 1. So, si r na lang ang matitira. So, since ginalaw natin sa kabila, nag-divide tayo, is gagalawin din natin sa kabila. So, 47.1 centimeters divided by 3.14, we have 15 centimeters is equals to r. So, meaning to say, ang radius ng circle natin is 15 centimeters. So, diba? Ganun lang kadali. So, at dyan nagtatapos yung lesson natin. I hope, class, na may natutunan kayo. So, if you have any questions or clarifications, just ask me, okay? Thank you!